Assertive Communication. Dr. Kala Benjamil, University of May 8, 1945, Guelma. Welcome back to the final part of our lecture, Recognizing and Understanding Communication. Styles. The main highlights in the final part of the lecture comprise Introduction, definition, key characteristics of assertive communication, benefits of assertive communication techniques, overcoming challenges and building assertiveness, cultural sensitivity in assertive communication. Concal. References. Introduction. Assertive communication is a communication style characterized by the ability to express one's thoughts, feelings, needs, and boundaries in a direct, honest, and respectful manner. It involves advocating for one's rights while respecting the rights and opinions of others. Assertive communicators express themselves confidently without resorting to aggressive or passive behaviors. Definition. To gain a deeper understanding of assertive communication, let's explore definitions and insights from experts in the field of communication. Randy J. Siegel, Ph.D., a communication expert, provides a concise definition in his book, Communication Miracles for Couples. Assertive communication is the ability to express your own needs, desires, ideas, and feelings openly, honestly, and respectfully, while also respecting the rights and feelings of others. Dr. Siegel's definition underscores the importance of both self-expression and respect for others in assertive communication. Susan Krauss Whitborn, Ph.D., a psychologist and professor, offers insights in her book, The Search for Fulfillment. 1. Assertive communication is a style of communication in which individuals express their thoughts, feelings, and desires in a clear and direct manner. It involves standing up for one's rights while acknowledging the rights of others. Dr. Whitborn's definition highlights the clarity and directness characteristic of assertive communication, as well as the balance between self-advocacy and consideration for others. Alberti, R.E., Amp, Emmons, M.L., 2008, authors of the book Your Perfect Right, Assertiveness and Equality in Your Life and Relationships, provide a comprehensive perspective. Assertiveness is the ability to express your own needs, opinions, and feelings with confidence and self-assurance, without infringing on the rights and boundaries of others. This definition by Alberti and Emmons emphasizes confidence, self-assurance, and the importance of respecting others' boundaries in assertive communication. Key characteristic S of assertive communicati on clear and direct expression of thoughts and feelings, respect for one's own rights and the rights of others, confidence and self-assuredness, benefits of assertive communication, improved interpersonal relationships, enhanced self-esteem and self-confidence, effective conflict resolution, assertive communication techniques. I statements. I statements are a fundamental assertive communication technique that involves expressing feelings and needs in a clear and non-confrontational manner. Instead of blaming or accusing others, individuals focus on their own emotions and thoughts. For example, saying, "I feel frustrated when deadlines are not met," rather than "you never meet deadlines." This technique encourages open and constructive dialogue. Active listening. Active listening is a key component of assertive communication. It involves empathetically and attentively listening to the speaker without interruption. Active listeners seek to understand the speaker's perspective and feelings, which fosters mutual respect and effective communication. By acknowledging the speaker's emotions and concerns, active listening promotes a collaborative and assertive exchange. Using positive body language. Nonverbal cues play a crucial role in assertive communication. Positive body language includes maintaining eye contact, adopting an open posture, and using appropriate facial expressions. These nonverbal signals convey confidence, attentiveness, and respect, reinforcing the assertive message being communicated verbally. Positive body language enhances the overall effectiveness of assertive communication. These assertive communication techniques empower individuals to express themselves clearly, respectfully, and confidently while promoting healthy interactions and resolving conflicts constructively. Overcoming challenges and building assertiveness. Self-awareness. The first step in building assertiveness is self-awareness. Identify barriers. Understand the barriers that hinder your assertiveness. Practice I statements. Start using I statements to express your thoughts and feelings assertively. Set clear boundaries. Define your personal boundaries and communicate them assertively. Seek feedback. Ask for feedback from trusted friends or colleagues on your assertiveness. Patience and persistence. Building assertiveness is an ongoing process. Learn conflict resolution. Develop conflict resolution skills to handle disagreements assertively and constructively. Build self-confidence. Boost your self-confidence through self-affirmation and positive self-talk. Seek support. If assertiveness challenges persist, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor. Practice assertiveness. Practice assertiveness. Various situations. Cultural sensitivity and assertive communication. Cultural sensitivity and assertive communication refers to the awareness and adaptability of one's assertiveness style based on the cultural norms, values, and expectations of diverse individuals or groups. It acknowledges that assertiveness can vary significantly across cultures and aims to ensure that assertive communication is respectful and effective in cross-cultural interactions. Key considerations for cultural sensitivity in assertive communication include 1. Understanding cultural differences. Recognize that cultural backgrounds can influence how individuals perceive assertive communication. Some cultures may value direct and explicit assertiveness, while others may prefer indirect or context-sensitive approaches. 2. Adapting communication style. Being culturally sensitive means adapting your assertiveness style to align with the cultural norms of the person or group you are communicating with. This may involve modulating your tone, language, and non-verbal cues to match cultural expectations. 3. Avoiding stereotypes. Avoid making assumptions or relying on stereotypes about how people from a particular culture communicate assertively. Instead, engage in active listening and be open to understanding individual preferences. 4. Respecting differences. Cultural sensitivity promotes respect for diverse communication styles. It recognizes that what may be considered assertive in one culture could be perceived as aggressive in another. The goal is to find a balance that respects cultural diversity while maintaining effective communication. 5. Seeking feedback. When communicating with individuals from different cultural backgrounds, seek feedback to ensure your assertiveness style is appropriate and well received. Encourage open dialogue to address any misunderstandings. 6. Cultural competence. Cultivate cultural competence, which involves acquiring knowledge about different cultures, their communication norms, and the cultural factors that influence assertiveness. Conclusion. In conclusion, assertive communication is a powerful and respectful communication style that enables individuals to express their thoughts, feelings, needs, and boundaries clearly and confidently while respecting the rights and opinions of others. It is characterized by using techniques such as I statements, active listening, and positive body language to promote effective and constructive interactions. Assertiveness brings numerous benefits, including improved interpersonal relationships, enhanced self-esteem, and efficient conflict resolution. However, building assertiveness skills may require self-awareness, identifying barriers, practice, and seeking support when needed. Additionally, cultural sensitivity in assertive communication is essential, as it acknowledges and adapts to diverse cultural norms and expectations, ensuring respectful and effective cross-cultural interactions. We're excited. Thank you for joining us for the first lecture of the syllabus. recognizing and understanding communication styles. I look forward to seeing you in our upcoming lectures.